Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with the Ultimate Hands-on Hadoop course on Udemy. If you're interested in learning more about big data and Hadoop, this video is for you. This course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to Hadoop and its ecosystem. It is intended for students with basic knowledge of big data and data processing who want to gain hands-on experience with Hadoop. The course covers a range of topics, including Hadoop architecture, HDFS, MapReduce, and Apache Hive. By the end of the course, students will be able to process and analyze large datasets using Hadoop and will have a strong foundation in big data processing and analysis. This course is ideal for software engineers, data scientists, and analysts looking to upskill in big data processing and analysis. It is also suitable for those who are new to Hadoop and want to gain hands-on experience with the platform. Course content. Section 1. Introduction to Big Data and Hadoop. What is big data? Why is big data important? What are the challenges of working with big data? Introduction to Hadoop and its ecosystem. Section 2. Hadoop architecture, components of Hadoop architecture. HDFS and its storage principles, MapReduce and its processing model. Section 3. Hands-on with Hadoop, setting up a Hadoop cluster using Cloudera. Loading data into HDFS, writing MapReduce jobs for data processing, using Apache Hive for data analysis. Section 4. Advanced topics in Hadoop. Introduction to Apache Pig, using Apache Pig for data processing. Introduction to Apache Spark, using Apache Spark for in-memory data processing. Section 5. Best practices and conclusion. Best practices for working with Hadoop, tips for optimizing Hadoop jobs, conclusion and next steps. This course provided a comprehensive and hands-on introduction to Hadoop and its ecosystem. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of the concepts and practical examples. The hands-on exercises were helpful in reinforcing the concepts and provided a good opportunity to practice working with Hadoop. The course content was well organized and easy to follow. If you're looking to gain hands-on experience with Hadoop and build a strong foundation in big data processing and analysis, I highly recommend the Ultimate Hands-on Hadoop course on Udemy. The course provides a comprehensive introduction to Hadoop and its ecosystem, and the hands-on exercises will give you the practical experience you need to work with big data effectively. So, enroll now and take your data skills to the next level. I hope this storytelling script helps you create an engaging and informative video review of the course.